Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford F-150. Stock number is A8493. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spray-in Ford bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.